Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Crochet, and in this video I share this cute little mini crochet purse. To start the piece, I actually made a magic ring, and in the magic ring I made 7 single crochet and then continue increasing and until I got 49 stitches. After 49 stitches, I do one round of single crochet in all the 49 stitches, and then the next round is back loop single crochet. After single crochet back loop, I go for my design and I try a design which is diamond shaped like design. For the upper part of this crochet bag, I go for single crochet and half double crochet to finish this round. I put a button to close this purse and I made a cord for this purse. For this cord, I make chain 1 and insert the hook into the same chain space and then pull out the thread and chain 1. You can also give an inner lining to this purse so it looks more beautiful. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this video, give this video a like and thumbs up. To stay tuned to my channel for more crochet ideas and design. Thanks for watching.